नमस्कार। सत्र 2022 में सेंट्रल यूनिवर्सिटीज़ या किसी भी यूनिवर्सिटीज़ में एडमिशन के लिए CUCET प्रस्तावित था। सेंट्रल यूनिवर्सिटी कॉमन एंट्रेंस टेस्ट प्रस्तावित था, लेकिन अब उसका नाम बदल के कॉमन यूनिवर्सिटी एंट्रेंस टेस्ट रखा जा रहा है, या ये हो सकता है रोल आउट कॉमन एंट्रेंस एग्ज़ाम फ्रॉम 2022-23 यूजीसी टू सेंट्रल यूनिवर्सिटीज़। मैं आपको ये विस्तार से पढ़ के सुना रहा हूँ। द इंडियन एक्सप्रेस में छपी रिपोर्ट, जिसमें दो तीन बातें सामने निकल कर आती हैं। आपको जानना ज़रूरी है अगर आपको 2022 में कहीं भी एडमिशन लेना है तो। आफ्टर अ मीटिंग हेल्ड ऑन November 22, द UGC on November 26 asked Vice Chancellor of central universities to take appropriate measures to conduct the common university entrance test CUET, that is to be organized by National Testing Agency NTA. The University Grant Commission, it means UGC, has made a renewed push to roll out a common entrance test for admission to undergraduate and postgraduate courses in central universities across India from the academic session 2020 to 23. After a meeting held on November 22nd, the UGC on November 26 asked vice chancellors of central universities to take appropriate measures to conduct the Common University Entrance Test CUET, that is to be organized by National Testing Agency. In July, soon after the second wave of COVID-19 infections, the UGC had announced that it was putting off the plan to implement CUCET for a year. The latest push came on November 26 when UGC Joint Secretary Jitendra K. Tripathi wrote to the Vice Chancellors of all 45 central universities conveying that after detailed deliberations, it was resolved that the common entrance for undergraduate and postgraduate may be conducted from the academic session 2020-23. For admissions to PhD, net score will be used wherever feasible, states the letter. State universities, private universities, and deemed to be universities may also adopt the common entrance test for admission. The major point I want to say you, यही मैं बताना चाह रहा हूँ आपको। आगे, the UGC added, these tests would be conducted in a minimum of 13 languages in which the NTA is already conducting JEE and NEET examinations. The commission informed the universities. The University Grant Commission, however, not announced the modalities of the proposed test, which sources said is likely to evaluate students based on two segments, an aptitude test and a subject specific paper. According to the UGC, the CUET will cover students looking for the admission in science, humanities, languages, art, as well as vocational subjects in higher education institutions. While the concept of common entrance test finds mention in the new education policy, it is not entirely new. The Central University Common Entrance Test CUCET was launched in 2010 when seven newly established central universities subscribed to it. In 2012, the government tried to extend this to all central universities under the Education Ministry, but the proposal didn't take off, with some established universities expressing concerns over the impact it would have on quality of students admitted. Over the years, more newly set up central universities adopted the common entrance, but the older ones stayed away. In 2021, the only 12 central universities, including Assam University in Silchar, Central University in Gujarat, Central University of Punjab, Central University of Tamil Nadu, and Central University of Jharkhand, among others, subscribed to the CUCET. The UGC's circular to vice chancellors now refers to the proposed entrance test as CUET, not CUCET. In December 2020, the UGC had set up a committee headed by the Vice Chancellor of Central University of Punjab, R.P. Tiwari, to chalk out a plan to implement CUCET from 2021-22. On this report, the committee had recommended that a minimum of 50% of candidates' CUCET scores should be factored in during admission in undergraduate courses. For admission in universities, the existing policies regarding quotas, reservations, subject combinations, preferences, etc., shall continue, the committee had said. Central universities, including Jawaharlal Nehru, JNU, and Delhi universities, said they would adopt the CUET as per as the direction of the government. Let the UGC work out the modalities of how this will be implemented and we will follow it. But there is no point going for 50-50 formula because the controversy around board marks will still continue even its weightage is reduced. There will still be some board scoring better than others, which will create discrepancies. Delhi University is very diverse university, so we will have to keep that in mind when we walk off our admission policy when we talk our education policy, said Delhi University Registrar Vikas Gupta. Let us wait and see what are the modalities of the entrance test and we will adapt accordingly. As far we can tell, it will not be very different from the JNU entrance examination, JNU being conducted by National Testing Agency, said a JNU official. KP Singh, Registrar of Central University of Bathinda, one of the 12 central universities that have been implementing a common interest exam, said earlier we were conducting it on OMR sheet, but this year it was computerized. It is too early to comment on next year's exam pattern. Surya Prakash Upadhyay, Registrar, Central University of Gujarat, Gandhinagar, another of 12 universities that has been conducting admission through a common interest test, said the common interest test is not new for central universities that have been a part of CUCET over the last few years. We have been conducting it since 2017. However, the proposed common entrance exam has its share of critics. Disha Nawani, professor, Tata Institute of Social Sciences, Mumbai, said it will be a continuation of existing system where the focus is not on learning but on assessment. Any kind of arrangement which seeks to impose uniformity becomes discriminatory. The proposed system will not be more just and fair, she said. Abadev Habib, Associate Professor of Physics at Delhi University's Miranda House College, said increasing the number of filters will not help overcome the challenges posed by the vast differences in marks obtained by students from different state boards and those from the CBSE. Having a filter of common entrance will encourage the coaching industry and put additional burden on parents and students coming from disadvantaged backgrounds, said Hamid, a former secretary of Democratic Teachers Front of Delhi University. Aisa Kidwani, professor at Jawaharlal Nehru University's Center of Linguistics, said that going by the situation of universities that have implemented Central University Common Interest Test makes it clear that the method is set for failure. They cannot treat universities like these are some organs of the state. To implement any such proposal, the UGC need to prepare regulation which need to approval of the academic councils of the universities which have their own acts, Kidwai said. According to new education policy, the National Testing Agency would work to offer a high quality common aptitude test as well as a specialized common subject exam in sciences, humanities, languages, arts, and vocational subjects at least twice every year. With inputs from Acharya Shankar, New Delhi, Divya Goyal, Ludhiana, Ritu Sharma, Ahmedabad. So this report from the Indian Express has gives a lot of views to us, lot of information to us, a lot of statements to us. बहुत सारी चीज़ें से क्लियर हुई, बहुत सारी बातें जो इसमें हैं। इस बार जो सबसे प्रमुख बात है कि जो बात हो रही है वो न सिर्फ CUCET की बात हो रही है बल्कि इस बार बात हो रही है CUET की सेंट्रल यूनिवर्सिटी एंट्रेंस एग्जामिनेशन की माफ़ कीजिएगा कॉमन यूनिवर्सिटी एंट्रेंस एग्जामिनेशन की। पहले ये बात सेंट्रल यूनिवर्सिटीज़ के लिए हो रही थी लेकिन अब सारे के सारे यूनिवर्सिटीज़ के लिए बात हो रही है कि पूरा पूरा एक एंट्रेंस एग्जाम करवा लिया जाए। इसमें देखिए फ़ायदा भी है नुकसान भी है। फ़ायदा क्या है कि अभी तो शुरुआती दौर में ये ठीक है, अभी हम लोग जो भी स्टूडेंट्स हैं उनके लिए थोड़ा सा आसान रहेगा कि अभी इसके पीछे जाके आराम से चीज़ें कर सकते हैं, अभी पढ़ सकते हैं या उसकी तैयारी कर सकते हैं। बट इन फ्यूचर जिसको भी एडमिशन लेना होगा बड़ा पैनिक एक तरह से वो माहौल पूरे सर्कमस्टेंसेस क्रिएट हो जाएंगी। तैयारी करना, बोर्ड्स की तैयारी करना, उसके बाद ये करना, फिर बोर्ड्स का कोई मतलब नहीं रह जाएगा। तो बहुत सारी चीज़ें देखिए, खैर मैं तो कोई पॉलिसी मेकर हूँ नहीं, न तो मेरा ओपिनियन कोई बहुत ज़्यादा मायने रखता है, लेकिन बात ये है कि स्टूडेंट्स को उसी हिसाब से तैयारी करना होगा, उसी पैटर्न को फॉलो करना होगा, जिससे उनको सफलता मिले। बाकी कॉमन यूनिवर्सिटी एंट्रेंस टेस्ट से रिलेटेड सारी जानकारियाँ मैं आपको दूँगा। सिलेबस की बात करूँगा, बहुत सारे जो इसमें आपके सवाल होंगे, उन पे बात करूँगा मैं अगले वीडियोज़ में। तब तक स्टे ट्यून रहिए द यूनिवर्सिटी कनेक्शन पर। एक और अधिक बात, ये 2022 के एडमिशन के लिए हम एक पेड सर्विस शुरू करने की योजना बना रहे हैं। ये पेड व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप या टेलीग्राम ग्रुप होगा, जिसमें आप 99 रुपए में सब्सक्रिप्शंस ले सकते हैं। उनमें आपको हर कॉलेज जो भी आपको एडमिशन लेना होगा, आप वो प्रोग्राम बता देंगे, तो आपको जितने भी कॉलेजेस के फॉर्म आएँगे, उनकी सही सटीक जानकारी, एंट्रेंस एग्जामिनेशन, सिलेबस पैटर्न, ये सब चीज़ें आपको उपलब्ध कराई जाएँगी। जितने भी फॉर्म्स आएँगे गवर्नमेंट कॉलेजेस के, जो बढ़िया कॉलेजेस हैं, तो आप उसमें थोड़ा टेंशन फ्री रह के आप सिर्फ पढ़ने पे आपको फोकस करना होगा, इन्फॉर्मेशन वहाँ से मिल जाएगी। खैर, अभी ये चीज़ें इम्प्लीमेंट नहीं कर पाया हूँ मैं, इन फ्यूचर करेंगे। तब तक स्टे ट्यून रहिए द यूनिवर्सिटी कनेक्शन पे। धन्यवाद, नमस्कार।